The first fundamental that everyone talks about in golf is the grip. And the reason being is it's the most important because your hands are the only contact you have with the golf club. And the club face is hitting the golf ball and determining which way it starts and which way it curves. So if your club face is off just a little bit, and that means if your grip is off just a little bit, it's going to cause potentially a huge difference in where the golf ball goes. So when you're checking your grip, make sure first and foremost that your grip is always the same. It's a good idea to check it in the mirror every once in a while just to make sure that today when you go out to play golf, your grip feels and looks exactly like it did yesterday. The most important thing is consistency. When you get off with your grip, one of the most common mistakes that I see is players tend to get their right hand just a little too much underneath on the club and maybe their left hand a little bit too weak. So what happens is their hands are opposing one another instead of working together. So make sure that your palms are always together, facing one another, your grip is consistent, and this right forefinger should be triggered just a little bit so that it can accept the hit at impact, and that's a key to making a nice solid ball turf contact.